What if I told you your body is constantly turning food into energy like a microscopic power plant running 24/7? Every breath you take is fuel in a 4-step process that literally keeps you alive inside your mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cells. Let's break down cellular respiration into the 4 key steps you actually need to know for grade 12 biology. What is cellular respiration? It is how your cells convert glucose and oxygen into ATP or usable energy. The overall equation is glucose plus oxygen resulting in carbon dioxide, water, and ATP energy. Step 1. Glycolysis. This happens in the cytoplasm. Glucose, a 6-carbon molecule, splits into 2 pyruvate, which are 3 carbon molecules. This stage produces 2 net ATP and NADH. No oxygen is required here. It is a quick splitting stage. Step 2. Pyruvate oxidation. This occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Each pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA. CO2 is released and NADH is produced. This step acts as the link between glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Step 3. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, which also happens in the matrix. Acetyl-CoA is broken down further, producing 2 ATP, more NADH, and FADH2, high energy carriers, and CO2 as waste. This stage loads up energy for the final step. Step 4. The electron transport chain. This takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane. NADH and FADH2 delivers electrons, and oxygen is the final electron acceptor. This produces the energy jackpot of about 32 to 34 ATP and forms water in total. You get about 36 to 38 ATP per glucose molecule. Why does it matter? No cellular respiration means no ATP. No ATP means no movement, no thinking, and no life. Now you can clearly explain all 4 steps of cellular respiration, something a lot of students struggle with. So next time you eat, remember, you're not just eating, you're powering a 4-stage energy system inside your cells. If this made things click, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs help. You got this.